Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I show you how to make a delicious eggs and tomatoes stew. And if you haven't already, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for being here. Let's get started. So guys, we start by adding oil to a frying pan, and after that now add your eggs. I used a total of 5 eggs, but of course you can use more eggs, you can use less eggs depending on the size of your family. And just cook on one side, then turn to the other side and cook. Keep turning until the eggs are well cooked. And I did not add any salt to the eggs while frying because we are going to add salt to the stew. And after the egg is ready, set it aside and cool. And after cooling, transfer it to a chopping board and now cut into smaller pieces like shown on the video. You can cut into very tiny pieces or even into big pieces, however you like, however you desire, and that is the size that I cut. Just bite shapes. And after that, now add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds to cooking oil on a sufuria on low flame because we want the cumin to release natural flavors. And after the seeds starts to pop, now add chopped onions. And after that, just fry the onions until they are golden brown. And guys, do not forget to add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. And after that, now add blended tomatoes. And you're going to give that a mix, and then now add tomato paste. Give it a very good mix. And after that, I added curry powder, but of course you can add more spices if you like. And also remember to season your food with salt. Keep tasting to ensure that it is well seasoned. And then you're going to cover the sufuria and leave it to cook for some time. Just keep checking to ensure that the tomatoes do not stick at the bottom of the pan. And after that, you're going to cover it until the sauce has thickened like shown on the video. And after the sauce is thickened, now add your egg pieces. And since it's an egg and tomatoes recipe, I did not add any other veggies, and it was so easy to make this recipe. And after that, you're going to cover it and just leave it to cook for some time. And after like 5 minutes, the meal is ready. It is so simple to make this recipe. You can serve this stew with rice, with chapatis. And thank you so much for watching my video.